Hello, Michael with ROA Off-Road, and today I'm going to be taking out a Dweller 15 and testing out an upgrade we've done to it for the towability. We've added Fox shocks, so it makes it a little bit more stable, a little bit better than what comes stock on it. Usually the case with almost everything, vehicles, trailers, everything. There's aftermarket options that are always better. So let me show you those shocks. All right, here they are. Oh, so pretty. Very nice, very nice. Got all four. So let's go take it for a tow test, see how it handles. All right, I'm jumping onto the freeway. Let's see how well these Fox shocks stiffen up the ride. I am gonna speed up to 70 miles an hour and see how that handles. Now, I don't recommend ever going over 70 miles an hour pulling a trailer. Like, that's at your own risk. Truthfully, I think it's not great on gas mileage, and the extra speed is just more tiring because you gotta be more on the wheel, making corrections. So my recommended speed is 65. I don't like going over 65 really, so. All right, here we go, getting up to 70 miles an hour, 69, 70. And there's our trailer behind us, kind of going around a turn. So, as independent suspension works, there will always be a little bit of like bobbing kind of side to side, so you'll see that. But I mean, I'm driving with one hand, and you know, you can see it's bobbing a little bit more, and I'm comfortable. You know, I can feel it though. It's not like taking me out of control by any means, but as I keep a steady course, the trailer straightens out and it stays straight. Like, I feel comfortable with this. I think this is a great upgrade. Now, if I slow down to 65, where I normally like to be, at 65, like, it's super comfortable, super steady. Yeah, this feels great. Actually, it's noticeably better. You know, nothing's ever gonna be perfect in this world. Everything always has a margin of error and a margin for feel, but this is comfortable, you know. Yes, with the stock shocks, the one, whatever, I mean, they're no brand shocks. And they definitely, when you're getting up into that 70 miles an hour range, you can feel it sway a little bit more, and it can feel a little uncomfortable. So I would definitely recommend upgrading your shocks. I mean, that's literally the first thing I did on my Jeep. It came with really nice shocks, but I, you know, went and upgraded them. Got some better ones just because I wanted a better ride. So it's not crazy to go and switch those things out. So Fox shocks, great. I know we have some other shocks that are not as expensive, so we can always do those ones. The real thing is just getting some good, more stiff shocks in there, because that makes the ride a lot better. So definitely a upgrade I would recommend. I feel very comfortable. 65 miles an hour, easy. It's great. 70, yeah, you could go 70, but you do feel it a little bit more, but it stays corrected. And even with some, you know, semi trucks and that whatnot, you know, I can feel it, yes, but it's not anything uncontrollable or not manageable. So great upgrade for the Dweller 15. Thank you for watching. Please share this video with somebody you think that would be interested in a Dweller, or if they if it's entertaining, you know. Also, if you want to check out our videos on some of the other upgrades we have for the Dwellers, or if you want some great entertainment watching us off-road with the Dwellers, that's always good too. Thanks for watching. Make it a wonderful day.